Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the US, from rare vintage icons to affordable project bikes.
Number 1. 1976 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FLH, $10,600, Bear Creek, Alabama. The 1976 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead is a true bicentennial-era classic, representing an important chapter in American motorcycle history. Finished in its original color, this example stands out with rare factory details still intact, including original frame stickers that are often missing on bikes of this age. The seller notes it runs strong, making it a rideable vintage machine rather than just a display piece. With increasing demand for authentic mid-1970s Harleys, especially in original condition, this FLH offers a compelling mix of history, usability, and long-term collector value. Number 2. 1971 Honda CB750 Bobber, $6,000, Woodstock, Georgia. This 1971 Honda CB750 has been carefully transformed into a striking custom bobber, blending classic engineering with a bold, minimalist design. At its core is an upgraded 836cc inline-4 engine, known for its durability and strong performance. The build features a low-slung stance, clean frame lines, chrome accents, and custom handlebars that give it a raw, aggressive presence. While customized, it still benefits from the legendary CB750 platform that helped define modern motorcycles. For riders seeking a unique vintage machine with both style and proven performance, this bobber stands out. Number 3. 1964 Triumph T20 SR Tiger Cub, $4,500, Louisville, Kentucky. The 1964 Triumph T20 SR Tiger Cub is a lightweight British classic that delivers both charm and historical significance. This example has been freshly restored with attention to originality while incorporating subtle updates to improve reliability. It has only seen limited use since completion, mainly for tuning, and includes proper documentation such as a certificate of dating confirming its history. Originally sold in Baltimore, it carries a well-documented background that adds to its appeal. With its compact size and classic styling, this Tiger Cub is ideal for shows, relaxed rides, or collectors seeking an authentic vintage Triumph. Number 4. 1977 Yamaha RD400, $3,250, Mount Pleasant, Texas. The 1977 Yamaha RD400 is a highly regarded two-stroke performance bike known for its lightweight handling and quick, responsive power delivery. This example features a cafe-style look and retains matching numbers, adding to its authenticity. With approximately 14,800 miles, it presents a solid foundation but is currently not running, making it a project for someone willing to bring it back to life. It also includes tank cleaning supplies to assist in the process. As demand for classic two-strokes continues to rise, this RD400 offers strong potential as both a rider and a collectible. Number 5. 1978 BMW R100/7, $3,800, Crawfordsville, Indiana. The 1978 BMW R100/7 is a well-respected member of BMW's Airhead lineup, known for its durability, smooth ride, and timeless design. This one-owner example remains fully original, including paint and major components, which adds to its authenticity and collector appeal. With 80,000 miles, it has clearly been enjoyed but also well maintained, and the seller notes it runs strong. Powered by a 1000cc boxer engine, it delivers a stable and comfortable riding experience, ideal for longer distances. For riders or collectors seeking a dependable vintage BMW, this R100/7 offers excellent value and proven reliability. Number 6. 1978 Kawasaki KZ750 Twin, $2,800, North Lake, Illinois. The 1978 Kawasaki KZ750 Twin has been transformed into a clean cafe racer, combining classic styling with thoughtful upgrades. This example is described as running strong with no oil leaks and has recently been gone through, suggesting it's mechanically sorted and ready to ride. The build features quality components rather than budget parts, giving it a more refined custom feel. While the paint shows a bit of vintage wear, it adds to the overall character of the bike. With a clean title and included service documentation, this KZ750 offers a solid mix of custom style and everyday usability. Number 7. 1967 BSA Spitfire, $8,000, Hoffman Estates, Illinois. The 1967 BSA Spitfire is a classic British performance twin, known for its strong engine and distinctive styling. This example has been fully rebuilt with tasteful custom touches, resulting in a well-sorted and ready-to-ride machine. It starts easily, runs strong, and has been properly maintained, making it a reliable vintage option rather than a project. The upgrades appear to complement the original design without taking away from its classic appeal. For those looking for a refined British classic with performance and character, this Spitfire stands out as a complete package. Number 8. 1983 Suzuki GS 1100 Cafe Racer, $2,800, Madisonville, Kentucky. The 1983 Suzuki GS 1100 is a powerful inline-4 platform, and this cafe racer build highlights its performance-focused nature. Known for its strong engine, this bike is described as fast and responsive, making it an exciting ride for experienced enthusiasts. Recent updates include a rebuilt starter clutch and new control cables, helping maintain reliability. The matte black finish adds a clean, aggressive look that suits the cafe style. While it has a few quirks, such as a manual choke setup, it remains a solid-running custom bike. For the price, it offers impressive performance and a bold visual presence. Number 9. 1977 Vespa PX 125, $3,950, Crawfordville, Florida. The 1977 Vespa PX 125 is a classic Italian scooter known for its timeless design and practical riding experience. This example has been fully restored and upgraded with a newer 200cc two-stroke engine, offering improved performance while maintaining its vintage charm. With less than 50 miles on the engine, along with new tires and tubes, it presents as a clean, turnkey machine. All lights and functions are reported to be working properly, and it's capable of cruising at around 55 miles per hour. For those looking for a stylish and usable vintage scooter, this Vespa offers both character and convenience. Number 10. 1969 Honda CL350 Scrambler, $3,200, Parrish, Florida. The 1969 Honda CL350 Scrambler is a versatile and highly popular classic, known for its dual-purpose design and dependable performance. This example is a well-maintained survivor that has undergone extensive mechanical servicing rather than a full restoration. Recent work includes a cleaned and sealed fuel tank, rebuild carburetors, electronic ignition upgrade, and numerous new components such as tires, brakes, chain, and battery. It starts easily and rides as it should, making it a reliable option for regular use. With its classic styling and solid mechanical condition, this CL350 is a great choice for both new and experienced vintage riders. Number 11. 1982 Harley-Davidson FLT Shovelhead, $4,500, Augusta, Kansas. The 1982 Harley-Davidson FLT Shovelhead is a classic touring bike powered by the iconic 80 cubic inch V-twin, known for its distinctive sound and strong road presence. This example is described as a good running machine, making it a solid rider for those who appreciate vintage Harley character. Finished in black, it carries a traditional look that fits its era well. With around 50,000 miles, it has clearly been used and enjoyed, and it also includes extra original parts for added value. For riders looking for an affordable entry into shovelhead ownership, this FLT offers both personality and practicality. Number 12. 1971 Yamaha CS3, $2,000, Anawan, Illinois. The 1971 Yamaha CS3 is a lightweight two-stroke classic that delivers a simple and fun riding experience. This example has been well maintained, with recent work including ultrasonic carburetor cleaning and new clutch plates. It runs and rides well, with all components functioning properly, including the electric start, which is a nice feature for a bike of this era. The tires are in near-new condition, adding to its usability. With a clear title and approachable price, this CS3 is an excellent option for beginners or anyone looking for an easy-to-own vintage motorcycle. Number 13. 1969 Triumph Bonneville, $3,500, Alamo, Georgia. The 1969 Triumph Bonneville 650 is one of the most recognizable British motorcycles ever built, known for its classic styling and responsive parallel twin engine. This example has remained in the same family its entire life, adding a layer of history and authenticity that collectors appreciate. With just over 22,000 miles, it presents as a solid vintage bike with plenty of potential. Whether kept as a rider or gradually restored, the Bonneville remains a highly desirable model. At this price point, it offers an accessible opportunity to own a true icon of motorcycle history. Number 14. 1983 Kawasaki KZ Shaft Drive, $2,995, Bradenton, Florida. The 1983 Kawasaki KZ is a dependable and well-built classic, known for its smooth performance and low-maintenance shaft drive system. This example remains mostly stock, with only minor modifications, including upgraded air filter pods that have been properly tuned. With just over 11,000 miles, it's a relatively low-mileage bike for its age and is reported to run well. Finished in brown, it reflects the styling of the early 1980s while maintaining a clean overall appearance. With a clear title and strong reliability, this KZ is a practical and affordable vintage motorcycle.
It starts so good. And yeah.
Number 15. 1967 Honda CA95 Bentley, $1,500, Jupiter, Florida. The 1967 Honda CA95 Bentley is a small displacement classic that showcases Honda's early reputation for reliability and simplicity. This example has been partially restored with many new components, including tires, tubes, exhaust pipes, handlebars, mirrors, and shocks. It runs great and has been worked on by a professional mechanic, adding confidence to its condition. While it may need some final cosmetic attention, it presents a solid and complete package. With a title and registration already in place, this Bentley is an affordable and approachable entry into vintage motorcycling. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycles for sale.